Hello, Showtimers! Today we're unboxing a Hot Wheels monster truck, Rodger. Yay! The yellow crushed car. Which you can connect into some crushed cars. Like this one. And you guys were waiting for the Rodger. And this is a treasure hunt. And this is my first treasure hunt monster truck. And this was from Brian. Thank you, Brian. And it's a magic ball one, which is black, of course. And there's a yellow 8. And because it's a treasure hunt, the wheels have red lines. See? On it. And I'll take care of this, Brian. And I like it. So thank you for this monster truck really much. Bye-bye, Showtimers! Thanks for this gift.